Discover the NAB show, the ultimate destination for media, entertainment and technology professionals. Explore innovation and connect with industry leaders right here in Las Vegas. Well, it's day 2 of the NAB show here in Las Vegas. I'm now on the MediaKind stand, and Shahar is here to tell us all about what's happening at NAB this year for you. How's it going so far, Shahar?
It's going very well, thanks. We're really excited about the show, pushing our news story about what MediaKind is. We've done so many changes over the last couple of years, so it's a great opportunity for us to showcase that to the industry and to our customers.
Okay, well, tell us your story. What position are you within the industry right now?
So really our focus over the last few years is to really focus on the world of streaming, and as well as just simplifying the workflows into the world of the cloud. And so our core stack, the MKIO, is really focused on the D2C streaming, direct-to-consumer streaming, and everything of the orchestration around it. And at this show, we're also introducing how the periphery backhauling content into the cloud or distributing it to affiliates is also now integrated into the same orchestration layer, to the same stack, really simplifying the operations for our customers.
And what kind of trends are you seeing right now, and then how are you able to, I suppose, meet the demand and find the solutions that the customers need and want?
What we see is that streaming is really dominating the topic for many of our customers and for the consumers as the end subscribers as well. And what we really understand is to be able to compete, you need velocity, because you're really competing against some very, very large players in the streaming space which are very capable with large pockets. And so how do you achieve velocity? You try to simplify and make it all uniform under the same operational system, and also introduce our own abilities to operate. If you have a vertical integration, you're able to simply operate much faster, turn around things faster. Not that different, for example, why a company such as Tesla has advantages versus traditional car manufacturers, simply because they're vertically integrated. So the more we try to do vertical integrations with our infrastructure on premises, with our cloud and our operations capabilities, the faster we offer velocity to our customers, and the faster our customers can compete. And that's what really the main trend that we're seeing and where we've been focused.
So talk me through the stand and what's on show and any new products.
Yeah, the first thing is our core streaming platform, the direct-to-consumer streaming platform. We're showing how we can easily plug in more and more capabilities on it. We're showing how we can include AI capabilities such as translation and transcription. We're showing how we introduced multi-view, which is another way to show sports, multiple videos on the same screen. We announced how Comcast has deployed that technology on our cloud across their entire Xfinity customer base, which is obviously millions of subscribers. We're also showing how we're making that technology available now on all the clouds, on Azure, on AWS, and on GCP. So we've really made the whole infrastructure of streaming just much more readily available, with more plugins that keep being introduced. The other main area is the periphery of the cloud streaming service. How do I backhaul content into the cloud? We're introducing that also as part of our cloud orchestration called the MKIO. We're calling that Beam. And Beam essentially allows you to take software and backhaul the content into the cloud or distribute from the cloud, all under the same orchestration, all pure software, all very easy with very flexible commercials, and all part of the same workflow. So just, again, making it all simple under the same umbrella and under the same operations team, which is really just exciting for our customers for the velocity need that they have.
Well, when you have Comcast thinking it's a great solution, I'm sure many others then would follow suit.
Well, that's what we hope. So we really have gotten a lot of positive feedback. The velocity concept is really resonating with many customers. The Simply way of operations, that we would do operations for them, is really resonating with customers. And the fact that it's all software is very, very rich model.
And what does the future hold for you then, do you think, Shahar?
I think for the next couple of years, it's really just continuing of that theme. It's really about making direct-to-consumer streaming that much easier to start if you're a greenfield, or that much faster to accelerate features and capabilities on. Whether you want to do it yourself through our APIs, or you want us to operate it for you, it's about speed and velocity. So our focus over the next 2 years is continuously enrich the streaming services with more capabilities, and just make the periphery and the entire workflow just easier to operate and faster. That's really our focus.
Well, good luck with that, and I'll let you get back to the show. Thank you so much, Shahar.
Thank you.